Visual Studio Code shortcuts and tricks. What's VS Code and how to download? VS Code or Visual Studio Code is a code editor where we write all those HTML, CSS, and JavaScript codes to build a website. To download VS Code, visit the website given in the description below. Why use shortcuts? Using shortcuts can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on your work without interruption. By mastering shortcuts, you can navigate through your code faster and more efficiently. Let me show you the demonstration in VS Code. We use Emmet abbreviations to make things much simpler. Emmet is a powerful tool for improving HTML and CSS workflow in various code editors, including Visual Studio Code. Emmet allows you to use abbreviations and shortcuts to generate HTML and CSS code quickly. Here are some common Emmet abbreviations, shortcuts, and tricks in VS Code. By learning these tips and tricks, you can customize your environment, work more efficiently, and become a more productive coder. Using extensions, VS Code has a vast library of extensions that can enhance your coding experience. By using shortcuts, you can quickly install, activate, and use these extensions. This will help you work more efficiently and effectively. Demonstration. In conclusion, by mastering VS Code shortcuts and tricks, you can streamline your workflow, increase your productivity, and become a more efficient coder and less time-consuming. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next part where we dwell more into programs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.